Pharmaceutical production involves moving a laboratory-scale formulation into a safe, commercial manufacturing environment. This transition relies on a specialized methodology to ensure that every batch aligns with global regulatory standards from the FDA, EU, and the World Health Organization. Process design and development provides the technical framework that ensures a medicine is safe, efficient, and consistently reproducible at any volume. Moving from a beaker to a 1,000-liter tank introduces physical variables that can compromise the product without a structured, highly controlled approach. The life cycle begins with process design. Engineers define operating parameters, map flows, and select equipment. In process development, lab-scale theories are tested to see how materials behave under physical stress. Then, process optimization refines the system, fine-tuning variables like compression force to improve yields. Before full-scale manufacturing can begin, the entire system must pass through a final regulatory checkpoint. This is process validation. To satisfy regulators, manufacturers must prove the process is consistent by meeting every specification across multiple consecutive batches. Once validated, the process enters technology transfer. All technical knowledge and parameters move from the research lab to the active production floor. Each stage provides a layer of predictability. Skipping any part of the sequence results in unstable yields and products failing safety standards. Supporting these stages are 5 core components, starting with the process flow diagram. This maps the foundational material and energy balances for the entire run. These inform the control strategy, strict protocols dictating how variables like temperature, pressure, and humidity are managed and documented. Engineers use design of experiments to optimize multiple variables and find the ideal production peak. Real-time monitoring happens through process analytical technology, using pipe sensors to allow adjustments without stopping. Finally, computational fluid dynamics simulates how fluids mix inside a vessel. Engineers combine these predictive tools with Six Sigma principles and digital twins, complete virtual models of the factory, to enable precise, lean operations. These advanced tools turn complex chemical reactions into a controlled, predictable manufacturing engine. Integrating these tools ensures the focus remains on patient safety and clinical efficacy of the drug. The resulting system provides high product quality, regulatory compliance, and cost efficiency needed for sustainable manufacturing. Process design connects laboratory innovation to commercial viability. Mastering this progression is required for good manufacturing practice excellence and consistent pharmaceutical production. Subscribe for more deep dive training on pharmaceutical GMP and process engineering.